Sam here with some tips on changing bulbs in your vehicle. Obviously, there are many different types of bulbs out there and many different makes and models of cars, but we have a couple tips that will help you with all of them. Before you get started, you'll want to head over to phillips.com/automotive and make sure that you have the correct bulb for the vehicle that you're working on. While you're there, check out the upgrade bulbs available that can enhance your safety or style. First, make sure that the engine is not running and that the headlights are turned off. It's also recommended that you wear gloves during this procedure to protect yourself from any sharp surfaces in the engine bay, as well as prevent you from touching the glass surface of the bulb with the oils on your hand, which can cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Once you've gained access to the back of the headlight assembly, the next step is to remove the bulb. All styles are different. Some may have a metal retaining clip that holds the headlight into the headlight assembly. Others may have a twist and pull style. The key though is to not force anything and make sure that you always handle the bulb by the base. Before you put in the new bulb, it's a good time to double check and make sure that you do have the correct bulb by referencing it to the old bulb. Once you've ensured that you do have the correct bulb, you're going to want to put a small dab of dielectric grease inside of the connector. This can help make sure that you have good electrical contact, and also it will help lengthen the life of the bulb. When it comes time to put the new bulb in, you want to make sure that you have the bulb sitting in the socket completely straight. The socket is what ensures that the beam will be pointed directly where you want it to be pointed on the road. It is possible, however, if you force the bulb, that you can put the bulb in sideways or on an angle, which is going to end up pointing your beam in the wrong direction. Also, always be sure to change headlights in pairs. If one bulb burned out, chances are the other one's not far behind. And you don't want to be driving down the road with one perfectly good brand new bulb with another dim bulb on the other side. All right, those are a few tips on changing headlight bulbs. I'm Sam, thanks for watching.
Innovation and you. Philips.